In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide, unhide, and reorder fields in Mailchimp. Whether you're looking to tidy up your sign-up forms or just want a fresh start, customizing your fields is a vital part of managing your audience effectively. Let's dive in and explore how you can do this in just a few minutes. First things first, you'll need to head over to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. If you haven't used Mailchimp in a while, a quick reminder, make sure you have your login credentials handy so you don't find yourself locked out. It's time well spent to double check those before getting started. Now, to hide or unhide fields in Mailchimp, you'll want to navigate straight to the audience section. Simply click on audience from the main menu and then proceed to all contacts. Those of you managing several audiences will notice a list to choose from, so make sure to select the audience you want to edit. It's important to focus on the right group here, as changes will only apply to the selected audience. Once you've selected your audience, click on Sign Up Forms. This is where the customization magic happens. From here, select Form Builder. The Form Builder tool is quite user-friendly and allows for substantial customization, so you'll find yourself in good hands. Now locate the field you want to hide or unhide. You might need to scroll a bit depending on how lengthy your form is. To hide a field, click on the specific field, navigate to Field Settings, and check the option labelled Hide this field. It's straightforward, but if you ever need to make this field visible again, just revisit the same field settings and uncheck the Hide this field option. Now let's turn our attention to reordering fields, which is just as simple. While still in the form builder, find the field you want to move. Click on it, then drag it to the new position you desire. It's similar to rearranging icons on your smartphone, just a click and drag. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement, make sure to click Save and Close to ensure all your tweaks are saved. It's crucial not to forget this step, as it confirms your changes are applied. And there you have it, customizing your Mailchimp sign-up forms is that easy. By hiding, unhiding, and reordering fields, you can tailor your forms to suit your branding and audience needs perfectly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with more Mailchimp tips and tricks.